this question is asking us to find the sample size needed. So we are given everything we need basically here. We are given standard deviation, and we are given the sample size, and we're told there's a 90% confidence interval. So basically, this is the equation we have. N is equal to Z of alpha divided by 2 multiplied by the standard deviation all over the standard error. So this particular question already told us that 90% confidence interval, which we have to find out the Z of alpha. We use that to figure out the Z of alpha divided by 2. We know that a standard deviation is 625, and we were told that the sample mean is within 200 calories. So we basically have everything we need. All right, so very first thing we need to do is get to our calculator and figure out what the Z of alpha over 2 is. So go to inverse norm. We enter our 90% confidence interval, which is 0.9 in our area. We're leaving it as a standard, and we're using the left because we are just doing a standard calculation. So hit enter. This is the range. Basically, this is actually a range, but we're only needing one side. And let me pause this real quick to explain where we're only using one side. So what the Z of alpha gives us is this value right here, and right here. This side is negative and this side is positive. So that is why you have a negative 1.64 and a positive 1.64. We just need one of those values because we're just focusing on the Z of alpha over 2. All right, so let's continue on. So now we have the 1.64. We can plug that in to our equation. Now that we have that, we're literally going to take it and complete the rest of our equation. So we know N is now equal to 1.6448 multiplied by 625, all divided by our 200 squared. And thanks to the TI-84, we can plug everything in all at once. Okay, and here is our sample size. Now, because we can't have 26.4 people, we're actually going to round it up. See, we can't have 26.4 people. So we will round that up to say 27. And here's your answer.